This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Joe Terrell. Major updates and renovations are already done in this spacious Governors Square condominium. This unit has a primary bedroom, second bedroom with hall bath, a comfortable family room, dining area, nicely updated kitchen, and a bright patio with a large private storage closet adjacent. Brand new luxury vinyl plank flooring was installed in the bedrooms, hall, and family room, and the home was refreshed with new painted walls, trim, ceilings, and storage closet, new 6-panel doors and hardware, and new bedroom light fixtures. The kitchen and baths were updated in 2022 with cabinets, countertops, sink, and faucet, and finished with stainless range, dishwasher, refrigerator, and hood new in 2025. Both baths are updated with new tub and shower hardware. HOA includes trash pickup. App-controlled community laundry, playground, and large parking lot are community amenities. Minutes to new town shopping and dining, with Starbucks, Wawa, Fresh Market, and Trader Joe's all under 1 mile. January 20, 2026. For more information, review the details below or contact Joe Terrell at 757-220-9500.